that Renaissance Fair was a lot more fun than I thought it would be. A lot of people, but it was a really good time. It was fun. Thanks for coming along on this week's episode. Next week we'll be in Boone, North Carolina, and looking at the leaves change. And it looks like we timed it pretty well, judging by this tree. So it's hard to catch the autumn leaves perfectly. Tune in next week to find out if we did it. I'll see you in the next video.